The best pre-workouts of 2024 revealed. Crush your goals. Hey there, fitness fam. Today we're reviewing the top best pre-workouts of 2024. Get set for a power-packed session where we uncover the secrets to peak performance. Stick around and let's make every workout count. Kaged Pre Workout. The Kaged Athletic Sport Pre-Workout Powder comes first. This Pre-Kaged Sport Pre-Workout Powder is scientifically tested vital elements that give the optimum blend of energy, endurance, focus, hydration, and power to improve athletic performance. It provides a perfect blend of organic caffeine and pure L-tyrosine, putting you in the zone for optimal performance with clean energy, intensity, and clear mental focus without overstimulation. This pre-workout powder also contains potent nutrients such as BetaPower betaine, plant-based citrulline to improve blood flow, and fatigue-fighting CarnoSyn beta-alanine. The fact that it contains critical electrolytes like sodium from Himalayan pink sea salt and Aquamin Mg magnesium from seawater is what I enjoyed best about this protein powder. Raw. The Raw Nutrition Kaged Pre Workout comes next. This Kaged, made from high-quality natural ingredients including caffeine, beta-alanine, and L-citrulline, gives a powerful surge of energy and focus to help you push through even the most difficult workouts. Chris Bumstead personally devised Kagede's flavoring technology to offer a top-of-the-line product with industry-leading taste qualities. Rocket Candy provides energy, endurance, and muscular pumps in the taste of your choice. This particular version also contains L-citrulline, which helps promote endurance and blood flow, as well as betaine and hydrous, which improves muscle strength and power output. These elements work together to create a performance-ready environment for functioning muscle and sustained contractions. So, whether you're going to the gym, going for a run, or doing a home workout, Kaged Pre-Workout contains everything you need to boost your fitness. Ryse Noel Deyzel. Next up is the Noel Deyzel X Godzilla Pre-Workout, which is an absolute beast. This colossal pre-workout has everything you need to generate the best pumps during your workout. Its citrulline and vasodrive AP boost blood flow and vasodilation, while the beta-alanine aids to postpone the onset of lactic acid and muscle exhaustion, allowing you to complete more reps. Its added thinkamine nootropic is intended to provide you with laser focus and a euphoric feeling to help you get the most out of your workouts. All of these nutrients will help you achieve optimal performance during exercise by providing a surge of energy, focus, and endurance. Sodium, in general, functions as a power electrolyte, helping to restore fluids lost during severe exercise. These fluids are essential to healthy healing and, of course, a nasty pump. Gorilla Mode. The Gorilla Mode pre-workout is up next. This is the only pre-workout in the whole business that contains the highest effective dosage of pure L-citrulline on the label that is not artificially inflated with malic acid. The large rise in nitric oxide boosts pumps, endurance, and can cut DOMs in half after exercising. High doses of these nootropics supplement Gorilla Mode's cognitive enhancing component and lead to a significant gain in energy, mood, and overall mental clarity. While its stimulant blend replicates the properties of adrenaline, noradrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin, and keeps levels elevated during a complete workout for intense drive and performance. Jocko Greens. The Jocko Greens powder follows. This nourishing blend of 23 superfoods, including spirulina, wheatgrass, and chlorella, is an excellent way to begin the day. This blend was created in collaboration with Jocko Willing, with 3 goals in mind: comprehensive health support, high-quality ingredients, and a delicious taste. Its potent adaptogens, including ashwagandha, milk thistle, and rhodiola, naturally improve energy levels without the use of caffeine or sugar. In addition, 9 billion probiotic units in each glass, combined with powerful antioxidants like acai berry, vitamin C, and pomegranate, enhance the body's digestive and immunological systems. Ghost Legend V3. Finally, there's the Ghost Legend V3 pre-workout powder. This one combines an exceptional energy and focus mix with the premium pump ingredients in the original Sour Patch Kids red berry flavor you know and love, to get you feeling like a legend anytime you need it the most. It is made using L-citrulline, which is one of the greatest pump ingredients on the market today. Pure L-citrulline provides even better pumps without the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort, and this ghost legend is vegan-friendly since it is vegan fermented. This premium and very effective solution, which contains compounds such as beta-alanine, neurofactor, and nitrosegene, can also provide significant energy, pump, and concentration benefits. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hey, subscribing is fun. So, to receive updates on our most recent videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.